everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a just killer 1968 Chevrolet C10. Great little truck, man. I originally sold this truck in 2017. It had just undergone a body-up restoration then. Tim's had it ever since. Matter of fact, him and I just did some trading. He traded it back in, but he had this, like I say, he's had this truck now for, well, 7 years. Said it's been a great truck. It's exactly what I thought it would be for somebody. A great little putzing around, cruising to town kind of truck. He's one of those guys, he's got multiple cars, and he said he just had a blast just kind of putzing around in this little truck. He's done a lot of little things. I think he's put new springs in the rear. He's upgraded the gauges. He put carpet in it. But it started off as really just a killer little truck. This original color, light green, I think is what it's called. You can see it, new glass. It's got all new Hounds Tooth interior in it. It has the original 307 V8 in it. And then they converted it to a 4-speed. It was an original 3-speed truck that they converted. But great truck, runs and drives just as sweet as can be. You can see the chrome and stainless are very nice. He's kept it, I mean, he's really added to the truck. He's really kept the truck in great shape. The radio plug, maybe the radio delete truck. All new glass. It's got the dual mirrors on it. Just a killer truck, man. New wood bed with the stainless slats. Yeah, if you're looking for a fun truck, man, you're just gonna, I mean, if you want something to kind of cruise around in, bang the gears, kind of putz around, I think you're gonna love this truck. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got the stock steel wheels with the hubcaps and the rings. It's clean underneath. Just a good truck. This truck originally came out of Virginia, was bought new in Virginia, really spent its whole life there until I bought it. Oh, come off, guys. That's just bug on there. It's got front disc brakes on it. Again, original 307 2-barrel, stock intake, stock ram's horn exhaust manifolds. It's got the stock air cleaner and valve covers, power steering. It does have front disc brakes, and it's been converted to a 4-speed manual transmission. Clean as can be. Like I say, just runs and drives as sweet as, I mean, just rolls down the road. Paint slick. Just a fun truck. Dual mirrors, again, all new glass, new door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. Again, it's got all new interior in it. Yes, new floor mats are on the way. Bench seats really nice. It's got the sports steering wheel. Showing 3,094. I'm sure that's on the resto. Tach and gauges, all that stuff works. It's a radio delete car, padded dash. It's got just the heater controls in there. All that stuff works. Parking brake works. Dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end. No big monster gear or anything. That's just a great truck, man. Turn the key, point the direction, and go have some fun. And clean underneath. I think he's put new springs in the rear. Yeah, it had a rubber mat in it, and Jack's still in here, and he put the new carpet in it. All his service records, looks like he had everything professionally done on the truck, and then there's a bunch of original stuff. I took a photo of it, and we'll make sure that gets posted. Great truck, man. Great truck. Just a little sweetheart, man. Tach works. You can see the truck showing good oil pressure. All your other gauges work, and parking brakes on too, Nathan. The parking brake does work nice. Everything opens and closes nice. Backup lights work. No radio. Blower motor does work. And everything opens and closes nice. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Check us out on TikTok. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. It's a good looking truck right there, man.